What's up everyone, Steve here again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. There's heaps of cool stuff coming up, and this is a channel update and what I hope is coming up in the near future. Now guys, if you are new to the channel, please check out this build here. This is a Toyan L200. This is a double E, kind of 1/8 scale crawler. Comes brushed with a 2-speed transmission. Links are down below if you want to go check it out, but I've converted it. The motor's actually out of it, but I've converted it to a 4-stroke engine, same as the one that's in this Ford F150. It's a 4-stroke 2-cylinder nitro engine that runs around about 16 to 20% nitro. This is pretty much completed. The latest thing I've done with this was add a tow hitch, or fifth wheel on the back there. Check out my previous video if you want. I'll try to leave a little card up there if you want to go check out that. But that's got the same motor that this one originally had in. I'm actually sent that one away to get some machining done from Johnny Crash Racing to see if I can just make it a 1 carburetor. That's coming up later on, but that was one of my latest videos. I hooked up this awesome trailer. If you're interested in that, links are down below as well. It's 10 kilo. All metal trailer. It's a HG trailer. It's meant to be actually dragged along by that beast. I need to do a video with that and the trailer going along because that's impressive. That's pretty much all metal as well. Sick unit, same as this guy here. But that's pretty much completed. So that was awesome. A lot of people really liked that, and I appreciate everyone who liked it, commented it, and a lot of people want to buy it, but maybe for sale later on. So that was sparked by this one here. Now I thought, okay, I really enjoyed doing these conversions. Maybe I should do another one on this. And I was thinking, I don't want to put another FSL200 in here because I think I could actually make the Toyan FSL400 fit, and that is a 4-cylinder version. Now I'm thinking, well, I'm still hopefully going to get one, and it's coming in soon. It's just stock issues and stuff like that, but I think I might get one as well because I think that'll be pretty sweet. I've managed to fit the 2-cylinder in here, and it still does have room. The 2-cylinder, comes up to around about here. If I can maybe move it around a little bit, that might be an option. So, yeah, maybe. I was actually contemplating putting the, this is the 4-cylinder V4, so it's a 4-cylinder, same thing, 4-stroke, by Toyan. That was my rat rod build. Kind of stored on that. Not too sure if I can bother continue with that or just take that motor and move it to something else in the near future. But I thought, okay, I like these. There's not much else happening at the moment with projects, and I thought maybe I'd do another one. And then I saw this. Friend Bobby gave me this. This has a wheelbase of roughly about 450 or 460 odd centimeters. Millimeters. It's not that big, so 460 odd millimeters. And I thought, wow, that'd be pretty cool. It is pretty damn big compared to what this guy up here, for example. You can just see it's much bigger. But what if I can maybe make a custom chassis and put a 4-stroke in one of these? I think, I haven't seen these around. Not sure if it runs, but it's hard body, which I'd like. It's just going to be one of those, El Cheapo cars. I'm not going to use any of this shit. It's going to be just for the body, but as you can see, it just runs a electric motor at the back. Nothing too fancy, but I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys might have seen that. So it's got lights and all that kind of cool stuff. It does look pretty cool, and things like that actually do work. But it was just an idea. It's another. Well, it's an F150. Pretty sweet. I'm liking Fords at the moment, as it seems on the channel. So F150 there, and we have the F450 over there. So what do you guys? What do you guys think about this? Should I do something with that? Because I've got some cars coming. I've got the new ZD Racing EX07 or something like that. It's the Hooligan coming up on the channel. Just shipping. He's waiting on that, so that's coming up. But there's not many other RCs at the moment coming up. But I also thought maybe if I do a conversion to a Toyan in one of those. Just not sure. A little bit of an update for you guys. A little bit of a tour of the shop. What I've got going on. That's not a whole car. That's just a body for the F450. That's the blue one with the silver wheels. Looks cool in that colour. We have the the JLB 1/8 scale crawler. I'm not too sure what to do with that. Obviously got my X-Maxes up here as well. Sorry about that light. I've got another one over there as well. Still my favourite bashing cars. Myself and my 3 sons love it. And then we have this guy here. This is tiny. Haven't done a video on this yet. How cool is that though? It's bloody small. I can kind of get it in the light for you guys to see. Full scale, like crawler. I think it's got, yeah, 4-link suspension, all that kind of cool stuff, but I haven't done that on the channel yet. Looks pretty sweet. I do believe you can do lights and all that kind of stuff. Luke Ray put it together because he has probably more patience than I do, but I like that as well. Not too sure. Some other cars and trucks up there, but you know, they've been on the channel before. I'm just contemplating what to do next because a lot of you guys love this kind of custom build, and I do as well. But I want to still get some RCs to review, bash and all that kind of cool stuff. And yes, also tanks. A lot of people said, where's the tanks? There's not many new tanks on the market, and Tamiya ones are really expensive, so I definitely want to get some more tanks. It's just waiting on some more to be released. But that's about it, guys. Quite a short video, well, still over 6 minutes, but let me know what you guys think about putting a 4-cylinder in this one or in this one and kind of custom make this into something. That'd be cool. Kind of, I know kind of goes against it, but kind of slam it on the ground and do something pretty cool, because Dennis has Double Deuce, he's done some sick videos, and that's another one to go check out his, I'll leave a link down below. Go check out his Skyline build with the FSL 400. If you think I do anywhere near anything cool, his stuff is amazing. Go check out Dennis. Tell him I said hello. Tell him Steve sent you there, because he deserves more subs. He deserves more views, because that Skyline has even got air ride suspension on it. So pretty sweet. But enough of me. Won't leave you too much longer. Quick update. Quick little, I guess, shop tour, and see you in a minute. Cheers, guys.